Look at some of the cool features that we have in the chat box here in Microsoft Teams, some of which you know about, which is really nice ways of getting our group to engage with emojis, with GIFs, and also with stickers. Nice ways to get a feel and a flavour, to bring some personality to our interactions. And we all know and love these, which is fantastic. However, did you know there's some other stuff as well that we can do using the chat box? The first is about our font and formatting. So if I want to type a message and I just click the capital A there with a little pencil next to it, I can actually put some bold or italic applications to my text. Clicking the three little dots here, there's loads more options of things that we might want to do in terms of inserting like columns and doing our typing, bullet lists, all of that. We can change even the colour of our font. So I'm going to change my font to yellow, and I really want to make an impact with my message. So I'm going to change the font size to large because I've got a big hello to share with everybody. So that's quite nice to know. And also we have something else, which is the ability to share files directly here in the chat box. So when we click on the paperclip, we've got the option to upload files directly from our computer or our OneDrive. Or if we just open our files from a browse perspective, then we can just click any file and drag it directly into the chat box to share with everybody else. A new feature in the chat in Microsoft Teams is this loop components. I really encourage you to have a play with this. Let me just share the file. Once I've shared that file, anyone can then click on it and download it. But going back to loop components, you can see we've got some options here. These are things that we can put into the chat box that once we've posted them, they're still editable by you and, importantly, anybody who has access to the chat in the meeting. So effectively all of your participants. And these can continue to be edited after the meeting as well. So for example, a checklist is quite a nice thing that we can do here. So this could be, let's say, agenda items for our meeting. Item 1, item 2, item 3, as an example. When I post this, it shows up, but it's still editable by all of these people that have access to the meeting. And so what this could mean is that once we've completed agenda item 1, then anybody can just tick that to show that it's been done. Nice. Another one that I like is the task list. So again, this is quite nice in a meeting or at the end of a workshop when we're agreeing actions. So let's put action 1, oops. Again, I can just go in and edit this even though it's been posted, as you can see. Action 2, action 3. Okay, so they're live. Let me just come back to that and take a look at due dates that we can put in there and all sorts of stuff. Task, assign to. So we can assign to anyone that's actually in the meeting. Let's assign it to me. And so on. So really nice. We can copy the link to this as well to share in an email afterwards. But the point of these loop components is that anybody can edit and contribute to what we're putting into here. So one of those, have a play, see what it can do for you. And we'll keep giving you updates of new features that are coming through to Microsoft Teams. So watch this space.